Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the introduction to April, another year of the Make-Alongs 2026's theme, as well as shifting the quarter. So we're now into quarter two, or well, we will be in a couple of days. Quarter two's Make-Along. So first off, the easiest one to walk through is quarter two. So quarter one, we focused on our bulky weight yarns. For quarter two, we are doing sport and DK weight. So our size 3 yarns. We're a little bit warmer, but most of us aren't quite to summertime yet. Not everybody lives in a place where it's already been 90 degrees this year. It was 90 yesterday as of filming this, so was not ready for summer. I would like spring first, then summer. So we did bulky for the winter. We're now moving into size 3 weight for the spring. So any color, any fiber content, anything like that. This is also cross promotional. So April, May, and June's make-alongs. If you're using a size 3 yarn, make sure you're sharing pictures in both make-along spots. If you're entering the make-alongs, please share your pictures either in my email or Instagram DMs, the Ravelry group, or the Facebook group. If you're trying to join the Facebook group, please make sure you're answering all 4 questions. Otherwise, I will not allow you to join us. I need to make sure that you are not a bot and that you're agreeing to our group rules. There are 3 boilerplate standard and 1 not standard question on there. So I know everybody's much more excited about April's make-along because there's more that goes into that. And let me tell you, I am personally invested in April's make-along right now because the theme is color, color, color. Color, color, color. Color, bring me color. I need color now. It was a cold winter. It was a moopy winter. It was a very gray winter here. I am ready for an injection of color. Bring me the color. Show me the color. I don't care if this is wool or cotton or acrylic. 3 colors in a project together. I don't care if it's self-striping, if it's speckled, if it's variegated, if you're blending 3 yarns together, if you have 12 colors, 3 colors minimum. I don't care how they're in the yarn or in the project. 3 colors, distinct colors. I want to see the color. Bring me the color. Show me what you got. Whether it's neons or muted colors, I don't care. I just want to see color. It's, like I said, it has been so gray and so drab. I am ready for the color. Inject my eye holes with the visual interest and give me the color. Any pattern, anything you want to do, whether you want to do striping dishcloths, socks, hats, gloves, sweaters, beach wraps, whatever you want. I don't care what your project is. Just bring me the color. Show me the color. So I am very excited. I am still planning on trying to work on the original plan for the Captivity, which was using the Beach Bunny yarn. We are doing a test run in a different color, but I did want to test run that just to make sure I have enough. I do also have the yarn that I got to do the V-back sweater downstairs, which is I think 6 yarns from 6 different dyers at the Southern Comfort Fiber Market. I could work on that. I have a shawl using ALCs and Yarnables, which would hit like one of my personal goals, and my UFOs. Plus I have the pickle jar scarf, which definitely has more than 3 colors in it. So I also have a bunch of projects that I've started this year, socks and everything else that have more than 3 colors in them. So I am set for my personal projects having more than 3 colors. That's what I get for talking too fast too much. But what are you planning on working on? What yarns do you have pulled to the side? Do you have something special in your DK sport weight that you're planning on working with this month or in general? Like, what are you? I do. So I have 8 of this yarn. I've had this in my stash for ages now. This is Urban Chic from Yarn Bee. This is the color Coral. I have like 12 in the aqua, but the coral one I specifically want to find a project for. I am not sure like what kind of project I want to do with it. If I want to do I was thinking baby blanket. I do have a number of littles coming into my life this year, and I still need to build my stash up of some baby items. So this would be an easy thing to work on. Just over the course of the quarter, just get a blanket done with that. I do also have some ideas of using the cupcake and mandala on the flatbed machine. So that will get me a huge group of the 3 weight yarns in. I also have some sparklies that I was thinking about maybe doing something with. I do also need to see if I've got something in the 3 weight. I don't want to do a fingering weight shawl. I need to do some basic shawls that, you know, I need a gray, a black, a white, a off-white, and a probably chocolate brown. I don't need to make all of them today, but I do need something a little bit more neutral. I have some very nice dresses that I don't have anything. They've got too many colors, and I don't really want to make something that's just wearable for those. So yeah, I would like to do some of that. So I might have something. I don't think I have anything fingering weight I want to use. So I might have to go through my size 3 weight and see what I've got there. But I don't know. I'm just so focused on April's make along right now. I need the color. I want the color. So like I said, if you want to share your pictures, Facebook and Ravelry, my email and Instagram. All of those are in the description box down below. If you have any questions, leave them here. Please share here like what you're planning on working on, like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff so you get the updates. We will be doing a mid-month update for April and a mid-quarter update in mid-May. It's going to get a little heavy with the updates that happens, but we will have your Spook Your Spring Make Along in May as well. So I might have some stuff that like I'm very excited about. We're hitting the part of the year where I'm ready to go. Like I am so in on these. These are the things when people talked about these, I was like, yes, I am in. I am in on these. So anyway, I love you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye, you guys.